Alright guys, here's a very short video pertaining to the Curado series Shimano reels. So if your reel is starting to make noise when you reel in, or when there's pressure on the line, or even when you cast, if you're just getting kind of a grinding noise, sounds like it's from the spool, this right here is the bearing that's defective, that you're going to need to replace. This one right here. Right here, I popped it out, and that will fix the problem. So this is the new one. The old one is right here. You won't be able to visually see that there's anything wrong with it, but if you take it and spin it, you'll be able to feel that it's grinding. So if you grab the inner ring and then you spin the outer ring, you'll feel that it's not smooth. I did that, and this one was definitely grinding. It wasn't smooth. The new one is smooth as butter. It just spins. So this is the defective part, and here's the part number that you're going to need. This is the part number. That's the important part. So part number BNT3927. And that's it. That'll fix it.